Guys, today I want to prepare you for what is going to happen later on today when the chairman of the Fed is going to have his speech. We do not know what he is going to say, but we actually do have some clues as to what could potentially happen here. So stick around, I am going to get you through this. You do want to be prepared for this. I'm also going to talk about a pattern for Bitcoin happening right now. I'm also going to talk about a big opportunity, and this gives us a clue as to what is going to happen with Bitcoin very, very soon. So if you're invested in crypto at all, you will want to watch this video. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it, guys. You can see that we have had some sideways movements for Bitcoin. We have gone down a little bit since my video yesterday, but all in all, as you know, I am expecting us to go sideways for quite a bit. I am not expecting us to break through these levels easily. Now, today is a very special day, of course. We do have the chairman of the Fed having a speech, and everyone are waiting for that speech, and they are positioning themselves, and they are going to be reactive to what he is going to say later today. So what we could see here is a big move. If we see that move to the upside, expect 22,500 to be decent resistance, guys. And if we do manage to break that level, then expect us to have massive resistance at 24,500. I'm not saying that this is going to happen. I'm just saying that if we do see a move to the upside based on the speech, this is what you need to pay attention to. Now, in general, as I've been saying here, recently, I do not think that we are going to break these levels easily to the upside. So expect them to be decent resistance, but also to the downside, we do have 20K, and I'm expecting us to test the 20K levels sooner rather than later. Yes, I'm expecting us to have big volatility to the up and to the downside like this, which is very good for us as traders. This is what we want to see. But we do have this pattern right now on Bitcoin as well. This is a very textbook bear flag, and these usually leads into more downside for Bitcoin. So this is something we need to be prepared for as well. So watch this bear flag. If this starts to break to the downside, well, I am expecting us to pretty soon reach the 20K level, which is 1,500 off this level, of course, and a lot of people are going to be stepping in here. So I'm expecting, if we come down here, a big bounce, or a decent bounce at least, to the upside. So this is what you need to pay attention to on the charts right now. The bear flag. We do have also something big happening in the macro environment today. We do have the Fed chairman having this speech, and of course we do not know what he's going to say, but we do have some other officials giving a clue, a hint as to what he is thinking. So let me just show you this. So the Philadelphia Fed President Patrick Harker actually told CNBC that we are going to have a 50 or 75 basis point rate hike on the next inflation meeting or the next Fed meeting. And the size of this is going to depend on the inflation rate on the September 16th data coming out. So he said, I think we have to recognize that a 50 basis point move is still a substantial move. So whether it's a 50 or 75 point move, I can't say right now. But let's not think that 50 isn't a substantial move. And yes, 50 is a substantial move. Another president said that they are aiming to have a 4% total interest rate very soon here. And Harker also thinks that 3.5% is something they should be aiming for. Now, the current rate is 2.5%. So that would be like another percent or another 1.5%, which is big. But at least we do have a target as to what they are aiming for. And once we get there, there's a lot of people who are going to be investing, of course. So again, we're going to have that volatility. But a 4% interest rate move or a 4% interest rate is pretty substantial, and we do not know the implications that it's going to have on the economy. So as we approach those levels, we are going to take it as it comes. I'm going to, of course, keep you updated and give you my personal strategy. But for now, I am, trading this volatility, trying to make these moves. I am, of course, holding Bitcoin long term. But yeah, this is what we need to know for today's speech. Now, the DXY, this is very interesting. This is the DXY on the weekly chart. And what you can see on the DXY here is that we are looking to maybe form a kind of double top here. So we went up, boom, down to my support level on DXY, another pump up here. So let's see if this has enough momentum to continue to go to the upside. At that point on the DXY, we are going to be at pretty much unprecedented levels here for the last, I don't know, like 20 years or so. So yeah, this is really, really interesting. The dollar index continues to be stronger, but the question is, maybe we are at the very least close to a local top here in the DXY. Now, speaking of the DXY, you can see that Bitcoin tends to go on big runs once the DXY tops out. So you can see the DXY here in pink. You can see we topped out right here. And once we topped out, you can see Bitcoin went on a massive run. This is the Bitcoin price here at the top. So we went on a massive run here. You can see the DXY topped right here as well. Went on a massive run from that point. You can see that we're hitting this trend line again. So we're hitting this trend line. And of course, we could break through this. We could see a break of the DXY to the upside. But nonetheless, we are at very high levels on the DXY. And I mean, even if we do see another little bit of a run here to the upside, sure, Bitcoin is going to go down. But eventually, we are going to see a big drop in the DXY. And the higher we are at that point, the higher the Bitcoin price is going to, or the more room at least Bitcoin has to run according to this DXY chart here. So that is very, very interesting, guys. Be on the lookout for Ethereum here as well. Ethereum is right now resting on my support level, 1,658. We want Ethereum to hold this level. If we do not hold this level, the next level is all the way down at 1,528. And guys, don't forget to take advantage of this trading competition within the Satoshi Stacker community happening on OKX. So what you need to do, deposit some funds into OKX, transfer $50 to your trading account. You have all of the terms on this link right here in the description. You can claim up to $10,000 on OKX as well. So make sure to sign up and join the trading competition as soon as possible. Guys, that's what I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.